Hello, this is Renovation Update Day 12. Let's take a look around and see what was done. So in the kitchen area, we have a lot of electrical being done over here, as well as the plumbing for the sink, and more electrical cables over here, as well as place for 2 light switches. And in the bathroom, we have more plumbing done for the shower, and there's the geyser plumbing being worked on. And we've got some electrical up over here for the lights. And that looks like it's over there. What else have we got? That area is looking good, and they've been working on this area over here, getting this nice and smooth. And yeah, that looks like it for day 12.